everybody. Hi, what's up? Okay, so here it is. I'm in the process of creating my podcast, and I use Riverside.fm to do so. So, if you want to create a podcast, please give me a call. I would love to teach you how to create your own podcast. Here is a segment of me creating my podcast, the More Connection audio newsletter, and it shows on the right side of the screen different songs you can use and how you can split and use the music in your podcast. So if you're interested in me teaching you how to create a podcast, get in contact with me today.